Hey guys, we made it. We're live at 4:47. I'm going to copy our 180 spot list, as you can see here, as I go up to show you guys once again, in case you weren't aware of what you're playing for. I'm going to copy the list there of 180 spots. 18 winner, complete last 17, power of the 4 set, complete standard Ewok set with a low grade variation there. 18 winners. Right there they are. All of these could be yours. I'm going to go over to random, paste our list, and then you can see right there 180 entries. Scrolling up to the top. I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go here in just a second. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 9, so we're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals. I'm going to get right to it. We've been at this all weekend. Steve in the top spot for our first round. Dennis 2, Eric 3, Scott 4. Jimmy in the top spot for our 5th round. Scott on top again. Eric round 7. And round 8, which brings us to our final round. The one that matters. 18 winners. That is a lot of goodness. A lot of AFA, Power of the Force goodness. Here we go. And our winners are Kenneth, Eric, Rand, Eric Nelson, Raymond Yee, Steve, Eric, Matt, Steve, Sean, Robert, Eric Nelson, Eric Rand, Gary, Mark, Gary, and Scott. Those are our top 18. Congratulations, guys. That was a lot of winners. That's fantastic. Spreading the love. Here's the verification, ZNBYQF. There you have them, all in a row. I'm done at 4:49 p.m. on a Sunday afternoon going into the evening. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Get at me. We'll figure it out. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.